Hey guys, and welcome back to new unboxing video. And today we have a new product delivered from Oraimo, that is Tempo 2 Smart Band. And let's start the unboxing of this box and let's see what is the content inside this. So let's start the unboxing. To the summer of love. So this is the how box look like. Here it comes with an Oraimo branding. Here is the how band look like with some slogans. And at the bottom we can see it has mentioned 365 days standard warranty from Oraimo. It comes with a HD color screen, direct charger, pedometer, IP67 waterproof, calorimeter, 20 days standby, battery backup on a single charge. It shows the notifications from a mobile phone and have a heart rate monitor too. And here you can see it's Tempo 2 OFB-20 model. And at side we can see there is some MRP details and all, and at bottom it shows keep exploring. And here at the back of the box, here on the top we can see that it shows a QR code from where you can download the application for your mobile. It comes with iOS 8 or above, and for Android it comes 4.4 or above, or you can download the mobile application from the Play Store by typing Joywear 2 from App Store or Play Store. And here are some of the details, like screen size is 2.4 centimeter, IPS true color, the Bluetooth version is 4.0, the battery type is polymer lithium battery, and the battery capacity of 100 mAh, and same standby time is 20 days. The bracelet size here comes with 216 to 20 into 12 mm. The material used for this manufacturing is ABS polycarbonate material, and it comes with a waterproof IP67. So when you flip in this side, here is our band, how it look like, and it have the same details which is on the front side of the box. So when you pull this upside, then you can see this is our band. And when we pull out this, you can see there is nothing inside the box. And in the box here are some instruction mentioned over here, the product details, the safety tips, as well as the details over here. So when you pull this out, you can, let's keep this aside, and here it comes with a foam support. So this is a hard foam, and this is what our band look like. Here you have an Oraimo branding, the material looks good, the build quality is also good. So here how, and at the back it have a heart rate monitor, you can see, and this is the full display watch. And to charge this watch, you just need to pull it. You need to pull it from this side, and here is the USB charger. You just plug into your USB. Here you can see it's the USB charging. So this is how band look like. When you press over here, it starts the screen, and you can change this by long pressing it. So when you long press here, you can see the screens are changing. You can change the different schemes available over here, and these are the different schemes available. You can set any of that. And here are some functions of the band. It shows the calorimeter, the heart rate sensor, the training mode, and the message notifications, and many more. So when you connect with your mobile application, you will get to explore more of it. And let's wear on the hand and see how it looks like. So this is the band, how it look like when you wear on your hand. It looks good, it will comfortable to wear. So this was the product from the Oraimo, the band Tempo 2. Talking about the price of it, it comes with the price of 1,499 rupees on the Amazon. The link is in description. You can go and purchase if you want. And this was the video about the unboxing. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, press like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for more of the videos coming on the channel. Thank you for watching.